Hello everyone, subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications. A sneak peek of a new 5-pack set by Hot Wheels has a car meet, Hot Wheels City and exposed engines. So check out the sneak peek of this set. A sneak peek of a new upcoming cars by Hot Wheels as a main line. New upcoming model by Matchbox from Moving Parts has a Bollinger B2. This model is under production and here are early samples and will release on September. So check out the sneak peek of this truck. A Matchbox 2024 German cars. So here's the lineups of a new upcoming cars by Matchbox. A Kaido House X Mini GT presents a Chevy Silverado V1. A Nissan GTR R34 Kaido Works G-Ready V1. And a Kaido House presents a Fairlady Z Motul V3. Here are second lineups of a new Kaido House X Mini GT. A Nissan Skyline GTR R33 Kaido Works V1. A Chevy Silverado Kaido Works V1. And a Datsun 510 Pro Street JPN. Let's check out third lineups of a Kaido House by Mini GT. A Chevrolet Silverado Dually Kaido Works V1. A Datsun 510 Carbon Wagon V3. and Nissan Skyline GT-R R33 Kaido Works V2. Let's check out new upcoming models by Mini GT. A Nissan Skyline GT-R R34 has a Tommy Carrera RZ, color of a car midnight purple, releasing between October and November 2023. A Shelby GT500 SC wide body, color of a car pepper grey metallic. A Acura NSX GT3 Evo 2022, #93 WTR Racers, Edge Motorsports IMSA 2023 Daytona 24 Hours. A Nissan LB Super Sellout S15 Sylvia #23 2022 Goodwood Festival of Speed. A BMW Alpina B7 X-Drive, color of a car drive it grey metallic. A figurine Team Liberty Walk. And a paddock service tent set LB Racing. A Liberty 64 Models presents a Mercedes-Benz 300 SCL 6.8 AMG, color of a car Boss Sonax #3, limited up to 999 units, material made from diecast, releasing on September 2023. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications. And stay tuned for further more updates. See you next time.